Just update it to iOS 26 and now the App Store icon is missing from your iPhone. Don't worry, it's not gone for good. Let me show you the quick fixes to get it back. So at first, swipe down on your home screen and use Spotlight search. Type in App Store and if it shows up, it might be hidden in the folder. So if you still don't see it here, just go to the app library and search for App Store, and from here you have to tap and hold on it and you will see the option Add to home screen, and after that it might show in on your home screen. And if you still doesn't see it, just head over to your settings, go for general, and from the transfer or reset, just go for reset home screen. And this will bring the App Store icon back to its default place. That's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.